అనే స్లోగన్తో యువకులను తప్పుదోవ పట్టకుండా అరికట్టే ఆటలపైన ఇష్టాన్ని పెంచే విధంగా చేసి ఉన్నత స్థాయిలో నిలబెట్టేందుకు ఈ ప్రయత్నంలో భాగంగా హైదరాబాద్ ఎర్రగడ్డలోని డాన్ బోస్కో స్కూల్లో ఫుట్బాల్ ఫెస్టివల్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో అండర్-8, అండర్-12 ఫుట్బాల్ టోర్నమెంట్ను నిర్వహించారు. నిపుణులైన కోచ్లు ఆంటోనీ విల్సన్, కోచ్ మిస్టర్ శామ్ పాల్, మైఖేల్ జాన్, స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ పీటర్ పర్యవేక్షణలో జరిగిన ఈ టోర్నమెంట్లో హైదరాబాద్ సిటీలో ఉన్న స్కూల్స్ నుంచి 20కి పైగా టీంలు పాల్గొన్నాయి. ఫైనల్ మ్యాచ్ లో అండర్-15 యుఎస్ఎఫ్సి విజేతగా నిలువగా వివిఎన్ఎఫ్సి టీం రన్నర్ గా నిలిచి ట్రోఫీలను గెలుచుకున్నారు.
లాస్ట్ ఒక మ్యాచ్ మంచిగా ఆడినాం. ఇంకా చాలా టఫ్ ఉండేది.
ఆపోజిట్ టీం పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ ఎట్లుంది?
ఆపోజిట్ టీం పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చాలా బెస్ట్ ఉంది. మా పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ బెస్ట్ ప్లేయర్.
సార్, ఇక్కడ జరిగే ప్రోగ్రామ్ గురించి చెప్పండి. ఫుట్బాల్ టోర్నమెంట్.
This football tournament in Don Bosco School has been organized by collaboration with so many organizations, and in which Peace Stars, Ministries and Seva Bharat is part of it, besides several others. And the very purpose of this is to see that our children are cultivated in sports, number one, and that will develop their character right from their childhood. And then they'll be able to
Speak loud.
They will be able to serve in the society. So this year we have taken two slogans. The one is, let's say no to drugs, because drug menace is increasing in our country, especially in our city. We'd like to see that these people would be agents or advocates for stopping that. And secondly, sexual abuse and violence against women. These two slogans we have taken as a social responsibility and conducted these tournaments. And we are so happy that 42 teams have participated, and 2 days of activity has really boosted the spirits of the young people. We also have this football for women also last time, and 31 teams have participated in that. And we are so happy that we are able to see that our children are growing for the building of our nation. Thank you.
చాలా సంతోషం ఇట్లా ఫుట్బాల్ మ్యాచెస్ ఆర్గనైజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇక్కడ ఫుట్బాల్ మ్యాచెస్, స్కిట్స్, సింగింగ్ అన్ని ప్రోగ్రామ్స్. ఇప్పుడు చాలామంది పిల్లలు ఈ డ్రగ్స్లో ఇవన్నీ అన్డిజైరబుల్ అన్సోషల్ యాక్టివిటీస్లో అట్రాక్ట్ అయిపోతారు. ఇట్లా యాక్టివిటీస్ పెడితే దే విల్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు దీస్ undesirable and bad lines. I hope these sort of activities continue and these children learn to live good, healthy and useful lives to society.
Thank you Andy. Sai TV garu ikkada vachi they are taking our coverage and we are so happy about this. First of all, the reason I started football here is to promote football in these places. I come from a place where we have players like Olympian Kannan, India players like Pratap Silan, Amal Raj, and now the past generation we have Akhil Anand, Arun Kumar, and Joshua and Emmanuel. These kind of players we have produced from our area, which is a cantonment area, Secunderabad, and now we have come here to produce these kind of players in Hyderabad itself. Our only motto is to make sure that India gets big players, star players like Amal Raj and Pratap Silan, and where Kannan was Olympian Kannan was the one of the best players in those days. So nowadays we cannot find those quality players, and our motto, our vision is to get good players for our state and for the nation. And this academy I have started just 3 months back, and now we can see the result. And we want to make sure that through sports, our nation gets healthy sportsmen. And my all wishes to Sai TV that they are covering this from past few days, and I wish them all the best for this, for the future.
My name is Anil Lawrence, and I'm here as a coach, and it's a privilege to coach kids at a grassroots level. It's almost 2 months, and I see a huge difference in the kind of game children are producing now. Football is a game which is now taken a backstage to a large extent. And that's where we are trying to bring in that passion back, because we know for sure there are talents, and there are talents lying in the nooks and corners of this country, nooks and corners of these places. In Hyderabad itself, there is huge talent, and we're trying to bring those talent up here. So we have a lot of teams who have come around, and it's to promote. With the festive season coming in, and with the football fest that we are organizing for 2 days, and this 2 days will be a passion-filled game with enthusiasm and with zeal, that people will come in, and the boys who's going to play, they will see their future. I'm sure there are few talents playing out here, will be playing out for the nation, will be playing out for the state, will be playing out, picking up their names, taking up their names to a larger extent, to a bigger platform. I'm sure about it. So I have Tony here, a good friend of mine whom I know for the last 12 years, and 12 to 15 years almost. So he's a guy behind bringing up football down here to the Don Bosco, and he has pursued for a long time. And because of his passion, and because he considers me as a very close friend and as his brother, and that's why I have taken up along with him to see that we are going to take this football to that next level. He manages the football out here. He's a manager, director here, and we all over here are passionate to bring this up. Thank you, guys.
ఈ వీడియోకు సంబంధించిన పూర్తి సమాచారం మరియు ఇతర క్రీడా విశేషాలను saisports.in లో చూడగలరు.